Picking the right outdoor furniture can really help you get more out of your space, whether it's a small balcony, a backyard patio, or a spot by the pool. But with so many choices out there, it's not always easy to know which ones will actually last or feel good to use. In this video, we'll share our top 6 outdoor furniture sets that we tested, along with the key details to help you choose the best one for your space. You'll find links to everything in the description below. Number 6. Flamemaker 4-piece Acacia Wood Conversation Set. If you're looking for an outdoor set with the look and feel of real wood, this is a great option, especially for smaller patios or anyone wanting something that's not synthetic. The assembly process is pretty straightforward. All the tools you need are included, and putting it together took us about an hour. Everything lined up well, and the instructions were clear. Comfort-wise, the set features wooden slats with included seat cushions. The cushions aren't super thick, but they're comfortable enough for casual sitting. If you plan to lounge for hours, you might want to add a throw pillow or two. Durability is one of the nice surprises here. The frame is solid acacia wood, which holds up better than cheaper softwoods. It will need occasional oiling if you want to keep the color looking fresh, but that's expected with real wood. The overall look is clean and simple. The natural wood finish works well with a lot of outdoor styles and feels a little more upscale than some of the metal or plastic sets at this price. That said, this isn't a set you'll want to leave out in every kind of weather. It's best for covered patios or occasional outdoor use. One small downside: the cushions aren't water repellent, so you'll want to bring them inside if rain is in the forecast. Overall, this is a solid, affordable starter set for anyone wanting a real wood look for their outdoor space. Number 5. Mdeam Folding Adirondack Chair. If you like the classic Adirondack style, this folding chair from Mdeam is a solid pick. It keeps that traditional wide-arm, low-slung look, but adds the convenience of being foldable, perfect if you need to store it away when not in use. There's no assembly required. It comes fully assembled out of the box, which is always nice. Just unfold it and it's ready to go. When you want to tuck it away for the season, it folds flat in just a few seconds. Comfort is right in line with what you'd expect from a good Adirondack chair. The angled back encourages lounging, and the wide arms give you plenty of space to rest a drink or a book. We found it very comfortable for sitting out for an afternoon. The material here is poly lumber. It has the look of painted wood, but it's weather-resistant and low maintenance. You won't need to sand or repaint it, and it won't rot or warp if you leave it outside. At around 38 pounds, the chair is hefty enough to feel sturdy when you sit down, but still light enough to move when needed. It works well on porches, smaller decks, or by the pool. One minor downside: the seat height is fairly low to the ground, which is typical for Adirondacks. If you have trouble getting in and out of low chairs, that's something to keep in mind. Overall, this is a great option if you want that classic look with the added benefit of being able to fold the chair away when you don't need it. Number 4. Devoko Acacia Wood 3-piece Set. If you like the idea of real wood but need something a little more compact, this 3-piece set from Devoko is a great option. It has a similar look and feel to the larger 4-piece sets, but the smaller footprint makes it ideal for balconies or tighter spaces. The set includes 2 chairs and a matching side table. Assembly was simple and didn't take long, about 25 minutes from start to finish. The pieces came well packaged and the hardware was clearly labeled. Comfort is good for a set in this price range. The curved backrests are a nice touch and do offer more comfort than flat-back chairs. The included cushions are decent but on the thinner side. Fine for casual sitting, though you might want to upgrade them if you plan to use the set daily. As with other acacia wood pieces, durability is solid, but it does require a bit of care. An occasional coat of oil will keep the wood looking good and help it stand up to the elements. The side table is a nice size, plenty of room for drinks, a snack tray, or even a small plant. The set looks good on a small patio, balcony, or tucked into a garden corner. One minor downside is that the cushions could be thicker, but that's fairly typical at this price point. Overall, it's a great choice for 2-person setups, perfect for a morning coffee spot or an outdoor reading nook. If you're working with limited space, this set makes the most of it without feeling cramped. Number 3. Wuniokyo 7-piece Patio Sectional. If you've got a larger patio or outdoor space and like to host friends and family, this 7-piece sectional from Wuniokyo is definitely worth considering. It's one of the bigger sets we looked at and works well for entertaining. The design is modular, so you can arrange the pieces to fit your space. Whether you want a long L-shaped sectional, 2 smaller seating areas, or something in between, the flexibility here is a big plus. Assembly does take some time. Plan for about 2 hours with 2 people working together. The instructions are clear, but with this many pieces, it's not a quick job. Once it's set up, though, it feels solid and well built. The frame is powder-coated steel, so it's sturdy and rust-resistant. The PE rattan weave looks good and feels durable. The cushions are thicker than we expected, surprisingly comfortable for long sitting sessions. The covers are removable, which makes it easy to clean if needed. This set easily fits 6 to 7 adults comfortably, so it's ideal for larger gatherings. The included table has a tempered glass top, which adds a nice touch and gives you space for drinks or snacks. One thing to keep in mind, you'll need a good amount of patio space for this set. It's not something you'll want to squeeze onto a small balcony. A couple of small cons: the cushions can shift around a bit when people move in and out of the seats. Some users add Velcro strips to hold them in place, which works well. Overall, this is a great choice if you've got a bigger outdoor space and like to entertain. It's comfortable, flexible, and looks great once it's all put together. Number 2, Flamemaker 3-piece wicker patio set. If you're looking for an affordable and stylish option for a smaller outdoor space, this 3-piece wicker set from Flamemaker is a great choice. It's simple, budget-friendly, and works well for renters or anyone who wants something that looks good without spending a lot. The set includes 2 chairs and a small side table. Perfect for a morning coffee or evening glass of wine on the balcony. Assembly is quick and easy, under an hour from start to finish. The instructions are straightforward and everything fits together without too much effort. The frame is made of steel with a PE wicker wrap. The wicker is flexible and holds up surprisingly well against rain and sun. We didn't see any signs of sagging or fading after several weeks of use. For a set in this price range, the cushions are actually better than expected. They offer decent comfort for casual use, not something you'd sink into for hours, but perfectly fine for everyday sitting. Another plus: the whole set is light and easy to move. If you're rearranging your outdoor space or need to bring things in for bad weather, it won't be a hassle. This set is best suited for smaller patios, balconies, or apartment decks. It's also a good pick for renters who want something stylish but easy to take with them when they move. One minor downside: because the chairs are lightweight, they can shift a bit in strong winds. If you live in a particularly breezy area, it's a good idea to bring them inside or add some weight when not in use. Overall, this is a solid entry-level set. It looks nice for the price, feels sturdy enough, and is a great way to add some style and function to a smaller outdoor space. Number 1, Devoko 3-piece rattan patio set. This 3-piece rattan set from Devoko is our top overall pick. It strikes just the right balance of price, quality, comfort, and looks, making it a great choice for almost any outdoor setup. The set includes 2 chairs and a glass top side table. Assembly is simple, about 30 minutes if you're putting it together solo. The instructions are easy to follow and the pieces fit together well. The frame is powder-coated steel with hand-woven rattan. The build feels solid and the rattan holds up nicely even after getting caught in a few rain showers. No sagging, no early signs of wear. Comfort is better than you might expect for a set in this price range. The seat cushions are well padded and the chairs offer good back support. We had no problem sitting in them for a couple of hours at a time. It's also a great size. The chairs are roomy enough for comfortable seating, but small enough to fit on both patios and balconies. If you're working with limited outdoor space, this set won't overwhelm it. Maintenance is simple, just wipe it down as needed. The cushion covers are removable, so you can toss them in the wash if they get dirty. One small surprise: the set is a little heavier than it looks, which is a good thing. It stays put in breezy weather and doesn't shift around easily. One minor downside: the glass tabletop can get pretty hot if it's sitting in direct sun. A placemat or small tray solves that easily. Overall, this set is really versatile. It works on patios, balconies, garden corners, you name it. The value here is hard to beat. It's affordable, feels more premium than its price tag, and looks great. That's why it lands at number 1 on our list. So those were our picks for the top 6 outdoor furniture sets we tested. As you can see, good outdoor furniture doesn't have to cost a fortune. You just need to find the right fit for your space and how you plan to use it. Hope you found this helpful. Links to all the products we mentioned are down in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, let us know your favorite set in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.